To connect your wallet or exchange to Coinly, go to your Coinly dashboard, click on the wallets, and then select Add Wallet Exchange button. Now you will see a page with all the popular blockchains, wallets, or exchanges. You can browse the list or simply use the search bar to find your wallet or exchange. Now let's say you want to connect MetaMask. For that, you will simply type in MetaMask in the search bar and then you will click on it. Now you will see two options to connect your wallet. The first option is AutoSync option, which lets you import your transactions automatically using your wallet address. And the second option is import from the file, where you upload a CSV file to bring in your transactions. Now let's say you want to connect your MetaMask wallet using your wallet address. For that, you will click on AutoSync option, and here you will paste your wallet address and then select the blockchain you have used, such as Ethereum, Polygon, or BNB, and Coinly will detect all the accounts linked to that address. For now, I have only selected Ethereum blockchain, and it automatically grabbed all the associated accounts with my MetaMask wallet. You can now either import all by clicking the import button or import the specific wallets. Let's say you want to remove a wallet from the list. For that, you will simply click on it and it will be deselected. Once you're done, click on the import button and it will sync all your MetaMask transactions automatically. Now, if you go to the wallets tab, you will see your wallet is listed as connected. Now, if you want to connect your wallet using a CSV file instead of a wallet address, go to the wallets, then select the Add Wallet Exchange button, and here we will search for the MetaMask and click on it. This time, select the second option, that is import from the file, and then select the CSV file you downloaded from your exchange or wallet, and then you will upload it. Coinly can read most of the CSV files, so uploading usually works perfectly fine. If it doesn't, just recheck the file and remove unwanted details, or simply download the latest CSV file from your exchange and upload it again to make sure all the transactions are imported. Once it's done, click on the import button. Now, if you go back to the wallets, you will see the wallet is listed as connected using the CSV file. And that's it. You have successfully connected your wallet to Coinly, and now all your transactions are ready for review, reconciliation, and tax reporting.